Okay, this is question 2 on the topic areas of cumulative frequency curves and box plots or box and whisker charts. This question is about cumulative frequency. This frequency table gives information about the ages of 50 teachers that work at Josie's school. Here are the class widths or class intervals: 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and so on. This means the age is greater than 20 and less than or equal to 30, and there is 10 teachers in that age range. Similarly, 12 teachers in the age range 30 to 40, or greater than 30, less than or equal to 40. And the cumulative frequency is simply a running total. So we'll have a look from the first part of the table. We've got 10, which is straightforward, put 10 there. Second part, 10 and 12, add them together, 22. Now we add 20 to the 22, which becomes 42. And then the next one is 5, so 42 add 5 is 47. And the next one is 3, 47 add 3 is 50. Now we can check to see if this is correct by looking at the question, because it's nearly always given. It says there's 50 teachers and it adds up to 50, so that's correct. Now I'll move on to the graph. The main thing that you need to remember when they're drawing the graph is that you've got to plot the end of the class interval with the cumulative frequency. So it's 30 against 10 and 40 against 22, 50 against 42 and so on. So let's plot the points. Age 30 and cumulative frequency of 10 goes there. Let's do the other ones. We've got age of 40, cumulative frequency 22, so it goes there. Check the scale to make sure. This is a nice easy one. They're going up in tens, so each little mark is 1. Next one, 50 is 42, which is there. 60 is 47. And the last one, 70, is 50. So draw the curve in through the points. And then we'll go back to the next one. It goes back in tens, so we'll go back to the axis in another 10. It just happens to hit at this point here, 20. So we've got the cumulative frequency curve now. We'll try and answer the questions. It says, draw the curve, we've done that. Use your cumulative frequency graph to find an estimate for the median age of teachers. This one says estimate because it's a cumulative frequency curve. They're not accurate from the diagrams, they're only approximate, so it says estimate. So median, let's go back again. There are 50 teachers. Strictly speaking, we would add 1 and half it to get the medianth value, but because it's not too accurate on a curve, it's good enough to just half the 50. So the medianth value will be at half of 50, which is 25. We'll go across the 25 and down. And that is on a value of 42. So I got 42 for that. So that's the median equals 42. Okay. Now we'll look at the next part of the question. It says, use your cumulative frequency curve to find an estimate for the number of teachers who are less than 45 years old. So 45 years old, let's go back to the curve again. Age of 45, go up to the curve and across. And you're allowed a little bit leeway with this, depending on how you've drawn your curve. They give a little bit leeway between the two answers that you're allowed to get for the median and this one here. So anyway, this one, you go up across, gives a cumulative frequency of 33. So the first one, median, was 42, and this one is 33, which is These are the number of teachers who are less than 45-year-olds, so there's 33 of them. And that's it.